The next station is Ikson. That is train terminal.
Like literally right now I'm just waiting to go to the hairdressers and I have nowhere to go because the library in front of me is like closed at 7 p.m. And again my appointment's at 7:15, but there's nobody else inside but a group of people going there for a reception, so I've just decided to wait outside instead because I literally have nothing else I can do. So yeah. I don't know if I'll vlog. I went to the art gallery today, National Gallery. It was what I saw. I don't know what I was going to say. I'm like so out of it right now. It's so stuffy because it just rains. So then it's like, yeah, really humid and gross. But at least it's not raining anymore because I don't really want to walk in the rain. And at least it's sunny-ish. Yeah, it's not as hot at least. So yeah, still kind of tired and I want to walk in a bit up, go to my hair appointment for graduation. Got to get my hair done for graduation. Oops. Okay, so yeah, finally out the hairdresser and now literally just a few seconds away from home. Home's right ahead. So yeah, happy now that my hair's been cut off and inside there was aircon, so much less tired actually just because of that. Like cutting my hair, so much is off now, so I feel so much freedom. So yeah, I'm so happy about that. And yeah, I will vlog a bit more later as I go in and have dinner and shower. So yeah, right now it's like not quarter past, almost 6:30. Have to be gone in half an hour. Putting on my makeup right now, and yeah, graduation day is exciting ish right now. And plus it's raining, which is great. I have the most British graduation you could have. It's sunny and then it's raining, but at least it's not as hot. That is one thing I was like, don't want it to be too hot because yeah, not feeling it, the heat right now. Don't want to sweat that much. It's our child. This is our new child. Our child's graduating as well at the same time. So many people and it's so hot. That's the one thing. I'm dying.
So which one are you going for then?
I love how the team is taking a picture.
When it's behind you. Is it full of salt?
Fourth row left hand side. Up to row F, left hand side.
You are in different places? I know. What? Oh, left hand side. I know, I was like, I'm confused. Okay, so I'm literally editing my footage back right now, and that's why I'm recording this video with headphones on and my laptop out right in front of me. And I want to say, from this point onwards, this is when the whole basically gone wrong part started for my graduation, and he specifically said go left hand side 4th row. I did not just like randomly go to the wrong location. Okay, so from this point on it's just me being lost and everyone just staring at me in the seats like, why does she not know where she's going? And yeah. I'm so confused. I'm so confused. What one was it? Sorry. What one?
Up to row F and you'll be on the right hand side. Up there.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
The guy directed me the wrong way and I was literally like, none of these are here. And it was the same guy directed me and then he was like, oh no, it's this way. And I was like, make me look like an idiot, like walking around up and down asking, where's my seat?
Why am I so lucky?
So yeah, so I asked again and he changed his answer to the right hand side. So yeah, after all that kind of panicking, it was for no reason. He just told me the wrong place. Like literally I was the only one who did that because nobody else, everyone seemed to know where to go, and I was just like my confused self as usual. But got in my seat in the end and life just carried on as normal. But yes, typical me, that just has to happen, doesn't it? I was just vlogging this whole conversation of oh my god, it has a cap! Oh my god, I'm so cute! Oh!
I saw Winston when I was at right.
Are you video?
It's a video.
Yo, graduated 2019. Period.
Glass of Prosecco.
There you go.
Thanks.
I don't know how they look like. Where's the I don't know, it looks like it's meant to be a hood.
Isn't it so cool? Yes, I died of Star Wars.
If I'm walking then I do feel hotter, but if I'm standing still it feels a bit windy.
He got it! Ready? Wait, comment, do you want to count?
No, you can't.
1, 2, 3. Yeah, I am right now heading back to hand all this back, which I'm quite relieved about because I'm like flipping boiling hot and filming on my phone, mainly because I was like, I feel like my camera has a lot of stuff, even though it's only used 30%, surprisingly. But I guess it's less intense. Kind of what I did today, I feel like I had more pictures than videos. Usually have a lot of videos that I film. These were mainly pictures. So yeah, I think that's why I didn't use a lot of battery than I expected, and it was like split between 2 cameras I was using. But yeah, happy that this is over so I can hand this all back because I'm actually so exhausted right now. And yeah, outfit. So yeah, happy about that. And then later we're going to go out and eat. But right now I think we all just want to sit in the car, have a little snooze, and then yeah, figure out where we're gonna go and stuff. But yeah, my feet is dying, and luckily my dad has gone straight back to the car now whilst I hand this back, so can just jump straight in the car when we get back rather than yeah, having to walk the whole way back. So hopefully my dad won't take long because he usually walks slow. But yeah, let's see what happens.
You did the park and that might come with. Yeah, that's why they changed it. Is it?
So fun. This lighting is weird, I can't do this. So yeah, now it's grad ball and this is the final part of the graduation video. So yeah, heading off in a sec as I wait for my friend who's taking forever. But yeah, bring you guys along with me.
Take the rest of the pack. Now if you can see that there, you see that's way more than 2. That's a whole bunch. There's a load more than 3. And that goes the exact same way, in and down. And then you use this. The thread, roughly about that much of it. Oh my god.